front of the house. After that, three combat I also clear. Then next shift to supervisor, like handling for the team. How can I handle for the team? How can I work for the teamwork? So this types of
sometimes there are so many telephonic inquiries also.
yeah. So this type.
Why are you moving here and there?
मैम मेरा एक प्लानिंग है कि इंटरव्यू टॉपिक पे मतलब कि वीडियो लाइक कन्वर्सेशन इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड
Interview related.
यस मैम
Okay. So
मैम
today I
ब्लेजर
will. Yes, you were saying something.
लाइक मैं ब्लेजर लगा लेता हूँ मेरे पास एक ब्लेजर है
Okay.
लाइक इंटरव्यू
You can wear.
लाइक
Okay, you can wear your blazer. But without blazer, we can do this session. I think blazer is not so much important. But for my viewers, please introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay, ma'am. So myself, my name is Devendra. I'm from Bihar. Right now, I'm working KFC as a cashier position. Before 2 years, I'm working Oman, Muscat. My hobby is learning new things. That's all about myself.
Okay, I'm Tanya Singh, joining you from Rajasthan. Just like you, I'm also a learner. Every day I'm doing conversation. I belong from Rajasthan. I have so many hobbies, but right now my new hobby is doing conversation with English learners. That's all about me. So
Very
you are
nice.
interested for doing interview round.
Yeah, interview. So I am. You are an interviewer, and I give interview.
Okay. Okay, I'm watching your resume and I read so many things. So tell me something about yourself, like your hobbies, your name, where are you from?
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Devendra. I am from Bihar. I have completed graduation 2018, and I'm working person. I have 2 years experience retail industry and 1 year's experience restaurant field. And my hobby is learning new things. There are 5 members in my family, including me. That's all about myself.
Okay, where did you get this information that we are hiring? We are hiring some person. Who told you? Like you get information from LinkedIn, Glassdoor. Where did you get this information?
So social media and info.
Social media. Social media means like
Like,
any friend who told
like
you about
LinkedIn.
this vacancy.
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
Yes.
Okay. So you told me already you have 2 years experience.
Yes.
As a cashier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And presently you are working in KFC. So
Yes.
why did you want switch that job?
Switch job because my thinking is growth mindsets. So the company is lots of people are uh, don't think about for the employee growth. So that's why this reason, and my think is growth mindsets. That's why reason for the remove and switch the company.
But after a few years, if you are getting good opportunity, then you will also leave my company. Then how can I recruit you?
No, ma'am, because this person is not thinking about good. So every time says colleagues are not behavior is good. So my thing is
They are not supportive. They are not supportive.
not supportive. Yeah. So this types of thing. So I think about this is not good. So that's why reason.
But if you are joining any other new firm, any other new company, and you will meet some new people, and same situation, you will face, then how will you face these problems?
So first of all, your company, I also vision is match, and this vision is good. And after I am going for this is a match for the. I also believe, and that's
Hmm.
reason. And I'm working there, and also
Hmm.
supportive, and one day
Hmm.
become a good employee as a company.
Hmm. So, are you comfortable in night shift also? Because we have
Yes,
rotational jobs.
yes. Every shift I handle, and I afford this company,
Hmm.
and as you wish.
Hmm. And what about your language skills? Like, I think your native language is Hindi. But in my company, there are so many foreigner clients also, and you have to deal in English. So, what about your English? How will you
So
deal with
English,
these clients?
English, my English is a little bit, but I also effort for the English and listening proper, and I also supportive these
Hmm.
colleagues and improving. One day become improve the English definitely.
Okay, like you are a cashier and mostly your job is on the front office desk. Okay, if you are watching, there are so many, person um, at the reception area. And suppose receptionist is missing that day. There is some person who can organize the reception area, but they are absent that time. Then how will you deal? Because you are a cashier, but sometimes we should also work as a, lobby manager, some other task we
Yeah.
have to do. Can you do?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, myself handling for the situations.
Hmm.
After I am not a handle proper, then call for my shift manager and
Hmm.
this situation handling and definitely I myself handling for the I my promise. Yes.
Hmm. Sometimes, there are a lot of crowd on the reception area. Some of are
Yeah.
sitting, some of are standing, some have some queries also. Then how will you
Yes.
deal if you are single handed? Like there are not so much person who can help you.
Yeah. 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 So first of all, I fought for the handling for situation. After
Hmm.
I'm not proper handle, then call for shift manager and then connect
Hmm.
for the peoples and solve the problem.
Hmm. And if you have some like coordinators and subordinates, then you can tell subordinates you should write something like, why are you here, you want some food, because we are related from food industry. So you can ask so many their queries, and you should write down, because sometimes there are unnecessary crowd. So we have to
Yeah.
write down all these things. And some person has some complaints also. So you should appoint one person, you should send some subordinate, go and ask every person why they are here. If they are here for food, like they want some dinner, lunch, and if they want book some area, specific area, so they should write on their notebook.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Every situation then handle for
Hmm.
the note down.
Yes, because like sometimes unnecessary crowd is present on the reception area, so it's our duty why they are here, because every time reception area should be peaceful.
Yes,
Hmm. So it's our duty, and we should handle it wisely.
really.
And we
I
should always
definitely.
keep some attention on there, like we should always ask for water, some
Yes,
other beverages we can ask.
yes.
Okay, so I will inform you after discussion my team, and we will shortly inform you by the email.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Hmm. So how did this new things came into your mind, then that we should do this kind of role play?
Yeah. Because ma'am, sometimes I also working the team member. After my shift supervisor, my next interview, shift
Hmm.
supervisor.
Hmm.
After 3 to 4 months, right now I prepared for the
Hmm.
I'm learning for this positions shift supervisor because right now I am working team member. Like cashier position is a team member.
Hmm.
KFC is a three step, like one kitchen, BOH, back of the house, middle,
Hmm.
like sandwich station, like middle of house, and after cashier, FOH, front of the house.
Hmm.
After that, three compat I also clear. Then next, shift to supervisor, like handling for the team. How can I handle
Hmm.
for the team? How can I work for the
Hmm.
teamwork? So these types of
Hmm. Sometimes there are so many telephonic inquiries also.
yeah. So this types of situation handle for the manager also here, but I also clear for this
Hmm.
types of problems because
Hmm.
one day promote for the person. So lots of work there is a
Hmm.
responsible.
But you know, in the mostly companies or hotel industry, they want responsible person who can, look after all the reception area. Like they can handle telephonic inquiries, they can handle clients also. They can also, watch lobby area. Also, it should be neat and clean. If you are working
Yeah,
in KFC and some other, good hotel industry,
yeah. So lots of responsibility.
you can't say this is not my work because I am a cashier. So how can I do? But in some situation, you have to do all these things.
Yeah, yeah. Lobby lots of responsibility.
Yes, sometime
Yeah,
they always want you should take all the responsibilities. So they
yeah,
want
yeah.
responsible person.
Yes, yes. Responsibility lots of
Hmm.
handling for the.
If you are saying no, I am only for good for cashier position, cashier designation, so they will never consider you.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
want that person who can handle all the things of reception area. Sometimes
Really.
he can work as a coordinator, sometimes he can work as a front desk executive, receptionist, lobby manager, you know, all the
Yeah, yeah.
works are included sometimes. If they have
Really.
no proper, staff, that time, they want that kind of person who can do all these things, billing, some other things also.
Yeah.
Hmm. So what do you think about this interview round?
Good, ma'am. Because practice is more important right now.
Hmm. You can, also think some other role plays. Then
Yeah.
we can do. Hmm. So, are you also downloaded application, Team
Yes,
Microsoft,
ma'am. Yes, yes.
and your data had been imported on that application?
Yes, ma'am. But I'm not calling for the any person's
Hmm.
team,
Hmm.
Microsoft team. Only join and
Okay.
one Preeti ma'am also honor like.
I don't know because today my all data had been exported on that application automatically. But there is not a
Oh,
recording, any recording option.
not recording option.
Right now, it
Uh,
is not available on this application. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks they will add this feature. Otherwise,
after
it is
15.
totally otherwise it is totally looks just like Skype.
Yeah, yeah. So
Hmm.
Zoom application also same like this.
No, Zoom is not same like this. On the Zoom application, we can record, but yes, you should have laptop or computer system. Then you can record. On the mobile, it's not possible.
Okay, okay. But I
Hmm.
have laptop.
I have also, so I can record.
Yeah.
Hmm. And if I'm allowing second party, that then they can, find their recording. And if I
Yes.
am not giving any, permission, then only I will able to watch that recording.
Yes. First of
But on
all,
the Skype, but on the Skype, we both are getting, recording part.
yes.
Hmm.